everyone, welcome to Commercial Arithmetic class. In today's video, we will see some of the basic problems of logarithms, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The first problem is minus 6.2358 plus 4.8298. So here bar 6 is nothing but minus 6. So this you can carry out in the usual addition problems. So for example, in the first term it is 8 plus 8 16 and 1 is carried to the next term. So again 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 is 15. Again 1 is carried to the third term. So you will get 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6, and 8 plus 2 is 10, and 1 is carried in the last term. So it will be minus 6 plus 4 and plus 1, which is nothing but minus 1, and you have to write it as 1 bar 0.0656. So even the second problem you can solve it in the similar way. Here in the third problem, in logarithm, you can solve it by separating the characteristic part and the mantissa part, writing it as separately. So let's see. The third problem is 4.2753 plus bar 3.8527, that is minus 3.8527 plus minus 5.2843. So here in this step all the characteristics are added, that is 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 5, and here all the mantissa part are added, and then here the bar 3 is written as minus, so you'll get it as 4 minus 3 minus 5 plus, when you add this using your simple calculator you will get it as 1.4123. so here 1 is nothing but the characteristic and 0.4123 is the mantissa. So again you can separate the characteristic and mantissa part. So when you simplify 4 minus 3 minus 5, you will get it as minus 4, that is minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. So you will get it as minus 4 plus 1 from this characteristic plus the mantissa part, that is 0.4123. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So we have got the answer as minus 3.4123, which is written as bar 3.4123. So you require these simple problems whenever you are solving the further problems of logarithms. So there you require the addition, subtraction. So it is important to learn the basics. The second set of problems is subtraction. The first problem is 2.6866 minus 1.5217. This you can do with your simple calculators. So you'll get the answer as 1.1649, and you can solve it in the usual subtraction problem. Also you can use this methodology and solve the problems, that is by separating the characteristic and the mantissa part. Anything which is convenient for you guys, you can choose that method. So let's see the second problem, that is minus 3.3729 minus 1.6251. So here 9 minus 1 is 8, and then in the second term you have to carry 1. So it will be 12 minus 5 is 7, and 6 minus 2 is 4, and again you have to carry 1. So this will be minus 4 because you're taking one value. So from minus 3 it will be minus 4, and here 13 minus 6 is 7, and in the last term you will get it as minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So even this problem you can solve by separating the characteristic and the mantissa part. Anything which is convenient for you, you can work it out. So the next set of problem is the multiplication. So even these problems are done in the usual way that we use for multiplication. So I'll explain one problem. So the first problem is minus 2.5629 into 5. So 5 nines is 45 and then 5 twos are 10. So you'll get it as 10 plus 4 is 14, and then 6 5s are 30 plus 1 is 31, 5 5s are 25 is 28, and here 5 2s are is 10, that is minus 10 plus 2, so you'll get it as minus 8. So the answer is minus 8.8145. So similarly the second problem, let's see the division problems. The first problem is minus 5.4792 divided by 2. So here you can see the characteristic is negative, that is minus 5. So whenever the characteristic is negative, you have to use a different technique. If the characteristic is positive, then you can solve it in the usual division method. So here the characteristic is minus 5. So in such cases, you have to simplify the numerator according to the value that is given in the denominator. So here dividing minus 5 by 2 would be difficult. So you can check and simplify the values which can be easily divided by the denominator. So here the value is 2. So the nearest value is minus 6 instead of minus 5, which can be divided by 2, that is minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. So the numerator is simplified as minus 6 plus 1.4792. Because you are adding one term, that is minus 5 is increased to minus 6, so you are writing it as plus 1.4792. So once you are done with this step, the next step would be minus 6 divided by 2 plus 1.4792 divided by 2. So this value you will get with your simple calculators. So the answer would be minus 3 plus 0.7396. So the final answer is minus 3.7396. So whenever the characteristic is negative, you have to solve in this method. Let us see another problem. The second problem is bar 1.2962 divided by 5. So here the characteristic is minus 1 and the denominator is 5. So the nearest possible thing that can be done is minus 5 plus 4.2962. So here minus 1 is written as, we are taking it as minus 5, and that's the reason you are adding 4.2962. And the next steps are similar, that is minus 5 divided by 5 plus 4.2962 whole divided by 5. So you'll get the answer as minus 1.8592, which is written as 1 bar. So again, let's see another problem. The third problem is minus 2.7246 divided by 7. So here the characteristic minus 2, to make it easy to simplify, we are using minus 7 plus 5.2962 and then minus 7 upon 7 plus 5. This should have been 5.2962 divided by 7. So the answer after simplification would be minus 1 plus 0.8178, which you'll get by using your simple calculators or doing it manually. The final answer is 1 bar 0.8178. So remember, whenever the characteristic is negative, you have to use this technique and solve it. If it is positive, that if the characteristic is positive, then you can use the usual division method. So if it is negative, simplify. So there is no rules that you have to take over here -6, so you can take even -10 and accordingly adjust the values. So this can be done by inspection method, and once you solve more problems, you will quickly get to know what kind of simplifications has to be done. So all these were the basics to calculate some of the logarithm problems. So from the next class, we will solve the actual logarithm problems and the problems that will be asked in the exams. So all these were the basics. So all these types of questions will not be asked in any of the examinations. So these for your understanding. So practice more and keep solving more problems. And also you have to be revising how to calculate the characteristic mantissa or logarithm, anti-logarithms. So we will be using all that in the further problems. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.